Hey guys, so as I promised, I will be explaining the tips and tricks about digital marketing that is used by Iman Gadzhi in his event of make online challenge 3.0. So this is the second video I think, and in this video I just want to talk about the message I have get from Iman Gadzhi, and this is the message. Like, he sent me a workbook that he will be going to explain in the first session of his 5-day challenge. And the trick that he used, like, he says, here it is, day one workbook for you to download. Okay, but remember, you need to be live, okay, on time, to get the password. So he set the password. So that is amazing. Like, why he set the password? He can give it me without the password, but he set the password, and he said you have to be live on that event in order to get the password. So this is a curiosity. Like, you have to get the password. So this is one of the amazing tricks that you can use to remind your viewers, to remind your list, okay, whatever your list is, so this is amazing. You can also do that. You set the password, or you can set that I will be revealing my complete, like, this is the first portion of the PDF. You will get the half portion within the video. So this is amazing. And you if you remember, like, whenever you see videos, they say at the end of the video you will get this lesson. So why they say? And even, and a lot of people saying this is the trick, and they use again and again, because this is working. At the end of this day you will get this, at the end of this event you will get this. So that is amazing. Or sometimes they say, like, here are the 3 tips, and the third tip is very important for you. What they did, they produce a sort of power on that, on the third one. So you have to think, like, you want that, you have to achieve that, so you have to achieve the password. So this is the first trick that he used before the event. Subscribe to my channel and follow for more. I will be explaining more in detail.